In this video, we're going to walk through activating e-receipts. E-receipts are automatically delivered from participating vendors to your Concur profile. This makes it easier to eliminate paper receipts when completing your expense report once you return from a trip. So go ahead and select Profile, and then Profile Settings. And we're going to scroll down to the other settings and select e-receipt activation. Please read over the language regarding the usage of e-receipts, and then in order to enable it, you're going to click the Here hyperlink. You're going to read through this language, make sure you agree, or if you decide not to set up e-receipts at this time, that's fine, just say I decline. But if you would like to enable e-receipts, select I agree. And now you can see that you have successfully enabled e-receipts with participating suppliers. When you do travel and you have a supplier that participates in this program, what you'll see is electronic receipts automatically staged in your expense library. So if we go to the expense module and we scroll down to the available receipts section, you will see the receipts that have been passed along from suppliers. So these will be receipts that will be available for you to attach to expenses in your expense report from that given trip. If by chance there's a receipt in here that you no longer need, you can simply click on the receipt and select Delete, and it will remove it from your library of available receipts.